that, guys. Smells so good. So guys, today I'm gonna to make this broccoli with the minced meat. This one, yeah. So what we have to do is very simple cooking. I have here ginger and garlic chopped small, and this one big onion, paprika, chicken stock. This is the mint. This is for the garnish later, and also the coriander leaf. Here I also have already chopped some. And of course broccoli and sweet sauce, pepper, oyster sauce, salt, and of course butter, and yeah, oil, little bit oil only. And first, because my water already boiling there, I'm gonna to put the broccoli just for few seconds. Yeah, I don't want to be so long, so just few seconds. And meantime, put the oil little bit only, and little bit butter so that it's not burning. So like this. So for the broccoli, just I think about 10 seconds. Okay, this broccoli is done. I don't want to be soft. I want it still green and hard. But it's your choice. If you want to be soft, you can put it more longer. Okay. Okay, I have to take care of this first. So then rinse with the cold water, and you're done with the broccoli. So it's still green. Okay, now we go to the butter and oil. It's already bubbling. You can see it's bubbling. I'm gonna to stir fry the beef first, yeah, the minced meat, just for a little while, sebentar aja. And about to change the color, and just take it out. Okay, this already done, yeah. So like this, put it aside. So meantime, we're gonna to put the big onion, ginger, and the garlic. Just stir fry. Look, you get the smell so good here in the kitchen. You can put now the paprika, okay. Now we mix everything. Look at that, guys. The minced leaf and the coriander, yeah, minced leaf and coriander inside. Okay, here I have chicken stock, just small, little bit only. Okay, this is pepper, just little bit. I always use the oyster sauce, just little bit. Okay, some salt, yeah, not much. The sweet sauce, kecap manis, ya. Jadi dikit aja, just a little bit sweet sauce. So you get a little bit of sweet. So like this, guys. Oke, dicampur seperti ini. So look at that, guys. Smells so good. Now we're gonna to add this one, the broccoli. And you can off the fire because I don't want to cook so long. Mix it and you're done. So this is how I make my food. Super simple and delicious. You have to try this. Kalian harus coba ya, enak banget nih, simple tapi mantap. And here I have my rice, of course. Right. So let's eat, guys. Look at that, yummy. So guys, this is the final look broccoli with the mincemeat, and hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Bye. Tada, si kue homemade-nya aku, kita coba ya. Bismillah. Makan.